What is going on, guys? Today in this video I'm coming at you is the Arctic Air 2.0 actually worth it? Does it work? This is the Arctic Air 2.0. It says right there, you pull out a little cartridge right onto the front. You're gonna go Weasley on in there. It's always hard with one hand, but yeah, look at that. Weasley on out. If I can do it with one, you can do it with two. So let's pop that on out. The cartridge. It says for regular cooling, just put cool water on it. For maximum cooling, put it in the freezer and make it frozen solid. We're gonna do that. So let's try it out. So here we are. We're gonna saturate this a lot. Get it sopping wet. Okay. That is, oh, it's actually getting kind of heavy. That's falling in that water. It's pretty cool. I don't want to get a bunch of water in my refrigerator. It's actually pretty heavy. It soaked up a lot of water. I'm actually pretty happy about that. You take this and you... pizzas, popsicles. You put it in there with your pizzas and your popsicle and your strudels. And I'll see you in a few hours. And now that a few hours has passed, we're gonna take that on out. Ooh, it's got the little frosties. I like that. Put that right on the table. So let's get this thing set up. Take this guy. Ooh, whoa. Look at that. I like that. So, with the instructions up, sneak him on in there. And slide that back on in. Then you gotta fill up the top. Scoop. And take some ice cold water and pour him on in there. This is a part where it says don't overfill or you might leak a little bit. So I'm gonna go just like that. How about that? We're gonna put some ice in here to make it even colder. I have ginormous lump of ice. So let's add some ice. Nice and cold. And now that I got this guy full of ice, we can put this back on in here. I think you can add more ice up here. I don't think that's how it works, but that looks pretty good. Let's turn it on and let's see if it actually cools. Click. And yeah, it works as I expected. The air coming through here is much colder than the air in area. So in that, yes, this definitely works, and the fan's actually more powerful than I expected. So this will actually be able to cool down a decent sized room. I mean, that's some serious air. Wow. You got some little condensation even coming out of there, like the frosty mon out of there. Yeah, can you see that? Let's see if I can get a shot of that. Do you see that? Like, that's actually cold. Like, I'm actually shocked that this is working so well. Now the question I have is, how long does this last until you have to refreeze that, until you have to put more cold water in there? That's a great question. Let's see. And I can tell you right away, after about the first hour and a half, this cartridge is going to be completely thawed. The ice is going to be gone, but it's still wet and it's still cold. It's got a little reservoir down there to catch the water. It's still holding up after about an hour and a half. I think that, I wouldn't say I think, the cold air blowing, I think that helps the ice stay in ice form longer. We're still cooling, and this is still going well. So I can come to the assumption that yes, this does work. It's gonna work for a few hours at that before you have to put cold water back in and put more ice, refreeze the little screen in there. But yeah, it does the job. If you have a really small room, I don't think this is gonna cool your house or anything. This is gonna, so you have like maybe like a 50 to 100 square foot room, maybe 150 at max. Yeah, you might knock it down a few degrees, and that's pretty good for what it is. I mean, so I think it, in my opinion, it really does work. Don't have extremely high expectations and be ready to refreeze it all the time and make ice in your freezer. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.